So this is a unboxing of the Dango design gripper chin mount for GoPro. So let's see what's inside the box. So this is the first impression of it. I think this product is about $50 on Amazon. Ooh, always nice. Get a little Dango design sticker. So you always could use stickers. And here it is. This is what you get when you order it off Amazon. So I see a lot of people using this product. I think, I could be wrong, but I think the Deegans use this. AJ Kent Zero uses it for his YouTube channel. So it has to be pretty good, I would assume. Yep, just a clip right there. See that? It's pretty stiff spring, so it should hold. We'll test it out here in a bit. It might rain, so we might not be able to get tested out. That seems that's pretty fucking strong. So, got a little whip here so you can mount to your helmet without it getting hopefully falling off, I would assume. Get this out of here. There we go. So there it is. Go grab my helmet and we'll put it on there. You got some little teeth there. Looks nice. So I'll go grab my helmet and we'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so before I put this on, just give me a like and comment on the videos, and if you think this video is helpful in any way, hit the subscribe button. So here's the mount. I already went and grabbed the GoPro. You didn't have to see me watch me struggle to put that on, but this is all it is. You squeeze it like a clip, and put it right on like that. And that's it. You know, it seems pretty sturdy. I mean, you can move it around, so I don't know how good it is for motocross, but we're gonna find out. I take this little whip and wrap it in here like that, and then let's see, get this, slide it over the camera, and put it down here. So then if it does come loose and fall, it's not gonna fall off completely. That little whip can catch it there. So that's what it looks like on the helmet. Like I said, it seems pretty sturdy. We'll go, like I said, it's supposed to rain here, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to get any shots today, but I'll try to get some video of me riding around with it on so you guys can see what it looks like. So, I mean, it doesn't really compromise the weight of the helmet. I'm sure you can feel the little weight difference between the front and the back of the helmet now, just like whenever you put a GoPro on it. So, but there it is. Like I said, if you think this video is helpful on what you're getting when you buy this Dango gripper chin mount, it's on Amazon for $50. So I'll let you know if it's a $50 product or is it a $10 product. So there it is. Alright, so this is the Dango design chin gripper mount I'm using right now. And got my motor vlog set up on my motocross helmet, so I don't know how good the audio is gonna come out because it's a motocross helmet and I'm on my fucking Harley. So as of right now on the helmet, I can definitely feel the weight difference in the chin, but I also never use a GoPro, so yeah, and this is also kind of a moto vlog setup test, so I don't know if I'm actually going to be using my motocross helmet for moto vlogs on my Harley, but I'll also do some moto vlogs on my dirt bike. So I'm just basically testing out the audio, seeing how it works. It's it's hard to tell if this mount's actually going to work on a motocross track because there's not really any bumps I can hit. It seems like it's not going to come off. So, but it's just me cruising at about 30 miles an hour. You can probably see it because of my gauges. So, just going down a little road that's by us. It's called Lover's Lane. Just, yeah. Like I said, give me a comment on this video. Let me know if you like it or not. It gives me incentive to do some more stuff like this. Maybe an unboxing, more unboxings. If you want to know reviews on stuff, I'm just an average guy. You know, I like photography, always have, and me trying to get into moto vlogging. So it really helps if I see my videos like not get one view and one like. So yeah, cruising around. This is also my Dynabro bike. You know, I got the T-bars, got the fucking dual gauges, so I can see how fucking fast I'm shredding down the road. I'll get on my dirt bike after this so you can see what it's gonna look like basically on my dirt bike. Hopefully the auto doesn't sound like shit. I know there's probably gonna be a lot of wind noise considering I'm having motocross helmet on a Harley, but I do got the fairing, so maybe it'll cut down on the noise a little bit. There is a pretty decent wind today, so we'll find out, I guess. If not, I'll just have to cut it. Take the auto rail out, I guess. Yeah. But other than that, like I said, it's just a review on the bike. So this is basically what you're gonna see on the dirt bike when I'm riding. You know, getting the riding position right here. So maybe more like I'm dead. But you know, so there it is. Hopefully it comes out, you know, pretty decent. I'll probably have to adjust it a little bit for the dirt biking, but yeah. I gotta figure out how to mount the GoPro mic adapter so it doesn't be flapping around in the wind, but other than that, here it is.